I'm Chris Whitlock. I'm a partner here at Carlock Copeland, and I'm the practice group leader for the workers' compensation team.
And I'm Lynn Olmert, and I'm a partner here at Carlock Copeland on the workers' compensation team as well.
We cover any type of defense for an employer who may have a workers' compensation claim, whether it's an employer that has a policy through an insurance company, or whether they're self-insured, or whether they're a member of an insurance group.
We have a variety of clients, insurance clients, as well as anything from Fortune 500 companies to small construction companies. We also represent school systems as well as hospitals and other public entities. So we run the gamut in terms of our representation.
Our firm is unique in that we have two partners that are head of our group, and we have several associates that work with us, and we give our clients a very hands-on type of experience. Some of the clients, as Lynn said, we have Fortune 500 companies, and then we have some of the mom and pops type shops that may be going through a workers' compensation claim for the first time.
Yes, and we look at it at the very beginning of the case and at each stage along the way as to whether or not this is a case to push towards settlement or a case to push toward trial. And we try to give our client as early an assessment as possible so that we know which direction it's going to go before we spend a lot of money and resources, because we are always looking at the bottom line for our clients, and in today's economy that's been very important.
We've tried hundreds of cases all throughout the state of Georgia, and we know the administrative law judges, we know their tendencies, whether they lean liberal, whether they lean conservative or not, and we can advise the client, this is the judge we're in front of, here are our facts, and based on our experience we think that we may have a favorable outcome or we may not, and what is the exposure? And we work with the client in assessing the strengths and weaknesses of the case, and then we let the client decide, is this a case that I want to try or is this a case that I want to settle?